In this video, you'll learn how to buy and sell on the FxPro trading app. First, log into your FxPro account, which will take you to your dashboard. At the bottom of the screen, tap on Trade to access the trading section, where you'll see your watch list and available assets. At the top, you can select the type of instrument you want to trade, such as Forex or stocks. For example, to trade Forex, select a pair like CAD, JPY, and the chart for that pair will open. You can view the chart, change timeframes, and perform your analysis before placing a trade. To buy or sell, scroll to the bottom of the screen where you'll see the buy and sell buttons. Tap buy to open a buy trade. Next, select your trade size in lots by entering the desired amount, such as 0.05 lots. You can also adjust additional trade settings by tapping More Settings, where you can set a take profit and stop loss for the trade. Once all settings are configured, tap Confirm to execute the trade. To monitor your trade, go back to the main screen and tap Trades at the top next to quotes. Here, you can view all your open trades, monitor performance, and make adjustments if needed. To close a trade, tap on it, then select Close at the bottom right corner and confirm. This will close the trade and update your account balance. This process allows you to effectively buy, sell, and manage trades on the FxPro mobile app.